Hi friends from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Good day to all of you. In today's video, let's talk about bakit may step increments, step 1 to step 8, ang sweldo ng mga government employees. At may dalawang tanong pa tayo regarding sa step increments. Alright? Are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Let's start with question number 1. Bakit may step increments ang sweldo ng mga government employees? Answer, Civil Service Commission or CSC and Department of Budget and Management or DBM Joint Circular number 1 Series of 2012 Rules and Regulations on the Grant of Step Increments due to meritorious performance and step increment due to length of service. Yes friends, yan po ang legal basis. Bakit may grant na step increments ang sweldo ng mga government employees? Civil Service Commission and DBM pala ito na rules and regulations. Alright? So before we move forward to questions 2 and 3, konting favor po friends. If new viewer ka sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button below and notification bell para updated ka sa mga new videos ko weekly. Thank you and God bless to you. Question number 2. Kailan ba ang grant ng step increments sa sweldo ng mga government employees? Answer, it shall be granted to all qualified employees for every 3 years of continuous satisfactory service in the present position. This is what we call step increment due to length of service. So friends, very clear, every 3 years po ang grant ng step increment provided meron siyang satisfactory service sa present position ng employee. So every 3 years po yan na step increment. So, step 1 to step 2. So, after 3 years, ang step 2 magiging step 3. Then, step 4 after every 3 years. And so on and so forth. Until abot natin ang step 8. If step 8 na, wala na pong step increments. Yan po ang pinaka-last na step increments. Step 8 only. By the way, friends, kung may question kayo, comments, please write in our comment section below. I will make time to read and answer all your questions. Alright? Question number 3. Ano ang specific example ng grant ng step increment sa sweldo ng government employee? Answer, Mr. A was promoted from his position from salary grade 16 to salary grade 17 on March 5, 2022. Kailan ba siya may step increment from step 1 to step 2? Sa present position niya na salary grade 17. Sagot, March 5, 2025. So ang sweldo niya is 43,488 from 43,030. Yes friends, yan po ang example natin. So very clear na ang counting ng step increment is sa actual date kung kailan na-promote ang empleyado. Hindi po month of January of the year, but actual date. So sa case ni Mr. A, March po siya na-promote. So March po ang step increment after 3 years sa present position niya. Alright? Very clear? So friends, hope you like and learn from our video content today. So please like, share this video, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.